Hi there and welcome at Smully Art. I was cleaning up the basement and I found this. It's an old sketchbook of mine. It's from 2016, and the fun thing is when you look in older sketchbooks from some years ago, you can see the progress you have made in time. Clear evidence that when you practice every day you will keep getting better and better. And I thought it was a fun idea for this week's video to pick a character from this sketchbook and to redraw it in the current style I have today. So let's turn around the camera, let's pick a character and let's start drawing. When I opened the sketchbook and I saw the very first character I drew, I knew this was the one I was going for. I actually drew him 2 times in a row, first as a headshot and then as a full figure. It's an original character design of a kind of superhero wearing a mask and a hoodie. He has the ability to launch some kind of energy flames from his hands, and he looks like a kind of character that would come out at night and wander around the city from rooftop to rooftop, lingering in the shadows. I never created a name or a background story for this character, and maybe that's where you guys can help me out. If you have a great idea for a background story or a cool name for this character, just put it in the comment section. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. So for my 2022 version of this character, I wanted to draw him in a similar kind of pose as the original sketch. I drew him on a rooftop ready to attack some bad guys with one of his signature energy flares. For the colors I went for the classic superhero combination of blue and red. These two colors work so well together and are used on some of the most iconic superheroes such as Spider-Man, Captain America and Superman. And guys, would you like me to redraw more of these older characters from my sketchbook? Let me know in the comment section. And now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is thinking time. Here we go. Hey, you! Yes, you! Would you like to own a sticker or a print or a t-shirt or a coffee mug with my art on it? Well, from now on, that's possible. I opened a web shop on Redbubble. Redbubble is a global online marketplace for print-on-demand products based on user-submitted artwork. So I upload my art and they will print it for you on a wide range of cool products and gadgets. This way you can get yourself some original designs and support me as an artist at the same time. I've put a link in the description if you want to take a look, but you don't have to if you don't want to. I'm already very honored that you are here watching my video. And you can also support me for free by subscribing to my channel or just liking this video. Now back to making art. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked this redrawing of this older sketch of mine. And if you guys liked the video, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start your weekend. And if you want to help me and this channel even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms. It would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend, my friends. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!